Google Skillshop, hello, welcome back. What did we read about yesterday? Well, we learned about customizers, right? These are things that you can add to your headlines and descriptions on Google search ads in order to increase the personalization and customization of your ad experience. We learned about the location insertion, the countdown insertion, and then keyword insertion, and then customizers, I believe. Okay. Location we talked about the day before, so we'll get into countdown. We can have countdown on your headlines or descriptions in which you set a countdown date and time, and it counts down in hours, or days, then hours, then minutes. And you can have it, say begin countdown a week before the countdown end date, something like that. You can use that to help promote promotions, sales, events, etc. Keyword insertion is basically where you can add, so when someone searches something, the keywords that trigger your ad to show, you can actually have those keywords show up in your ad. I think this one's that has real potential there. And then custom insertion is basically where you can create custom customizers in which you can use like products, product lines, etc. So when people search up certain keywords that are like your product or product line, they can show up. Similar to keywords, but more brand specific, product line, product specific. Is that everything? Okay, they're not countdown and customizers. It's not countdown insertion, it's countdown customizers. All right, location insertion, we can choose city, state, and country. Keyword insertion, keywords that trigger an ad and query, show up in the copy. They're called business data customizers, or business data customizations. This is what I was referring to in the custom customizers. Okay, that's it. That was a good recall. Let's continue reading, and I'll be back again to recall in a bit. All right, so I just finished reading, setting up keyword insertion, did the practice problem or the check your understanding question, and then read the summing it up kind of recap. Not much else to say about the customizers activity other than it just allows you to add real-time customization, personalization to scale or at scale to your ads. So that's basically it for that. Let's jump into the next activity. Let's see what it is about. These last three were all about responsive search ads. Now we're talking about explore AI-powered search ads bid strategies. So now this next section is big. There's 5 articles on bid strategies. So first thing is the first activity is explore bid strategies with search. Okay. So yeah, we currently have 9 more activities, including this new one, and then the actual exam itself. And so we're deep into this Skillshop course. At this point, we're over halfway done. Let's get into the next activity here. Explore bid strategies with search. All right, guys, here we go. So this new activity, this is all about bid strategies. So there's 2 types of bid strategies on Google Ads, or at least search ads. We've got manual bidding and automated bidding, right? And at this point in 2025, I think manual bidding is basically out the door. That's not really useful in 99% of use cases. Automated bidding is going to be the preferred method. And so automated bidding, this basically uses tons of signals. This is where we get all that stuff like the user's journey, previous sites they were visiting, previous conversions, device type, time of day, location, all these other signals to choose what the bid is to maximize what you're optimizing for your business. So it's really great. Smart bidding. Smart bidding is a subset of automated bidding. It uses machine learning. I think maybe all of automated bidding uses machine learning. I'm gonna actually write that down as a question. Oops, 10% low battery here. Does automated bidding use machine learning or just smart bidding, or just smart bidding? Okay. So yeah, we got automated and manual smart bidding. Okay. Subset, use the machine learning to optimize for either conversions or conversion values, and this is why they have the set your CPA, cost per acquisition, target cost per acquisition for conversions, and target ROAS for maximizing conversion value. It's still a little confusing why it doesn't just do the best it can either way, but this gives it some more information to work with so that it can better bid based on timing, etc. And signals. Gives it a little more maybe constraints, so it makes it a little more, has less options, which make it more efficient potentially, which it sounds kind of paradoxical, but that idea of target CPA and target ROAS are still a little confusing to me. But either way, it's automated bidding or smart bidding works to maximize or get you at that performance goal and exceed it in any case it can. Manual bidding, so you choose the max CPC, cost per click, per ad group, and even keyword if you want. Okay. Cool. All right, then. Yeah, we got about 2 minutes left today. Let's get in there, read a little more, 3 minutes, and then we'll be back for a recall at the end of the day. All right, guys, wrapping up today. Just basically read about 4 types of bidding strategies. No, not bidding strategies. 4 types of automated bidding, right? I didn't read all of them yet, but they are maximize conversions, maximize conversion value, maximize clicks, and maximize views or impressions. Impressions is a better word. So that's it for today. I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.